if you look at what's happening with formal classroom training, we've seen that none of our students who come out are immediately industry ready. So we've seen customers provide training for 30 days. Some of our customers train the students who are out of college for almost 1 year before they're job ready. Now that's the problem of just the theoretical learning, where you don't really get ready, job ready, when you're out of the college or when you're out of the formal learning mechanism. Now, if you look at vocational or on-the-job training in silo, you really get good on doing what you're doing repetitively, and that's where you become excellent. But then what's missing there is critical thinking and thoughts around innovation on how you can do things better and how you can become more productive using innovation. So from that perspective, I think just occasional training in its own silo also does not help. So unless both of these, the traditional classroom theory and the vocational training, go hand in hand, education is not complete, and the probability of employment also diminishes. And this is precisely the reason why we call ourselves Degree Apprenticeship, because we are tied up with more than 22 universities and we provide formal education along with apprenticeship, which is on-the-job training in real-time environment with more than 500 of our customers. Now, this degree apprenticeship is a great way to ensure employability for the future for the youth of India.